Hello, how are you? I'm EmRatThich. Since boosting is still allowed, Zhang reminds us that if your sponge isn't boosted, you're already at a disadvantage. All top players use booster, no exceptions. On the backhand, pros apply 2 layers of booster and 2 layers of glue. The forehand usually has 2 layers of booster and sometimes 2 or 3 layers of glue depending on the venue.
Comment: how to boost the table tennis backhand rubber. Apply 1 layer. Just a normal one. After you apply booster on the sponge, there's a white film on it, right? This white membrane. You must peel this white membrane off, then you have to fog it with your breath. Then rub it in. When I use a sponge, I never dip the whole thing. Give me a blade. First I compare it with the sponge. Then I cut it slightly bigger. I'll show you how to glue it. You must peel this off. You can't skip this. If you don't peel it, the booster won't work properly. For factory-tuned rubber like Hurricane 3, no need to peel. Let it rest a bit. Leave it for half an hour to 1 hour. Fog it with your breath. Fog it a little with your breath. See, I match it with the blade shape first. Put it over the blade. Hold with 4 fingers. Then cut it. This way the booster won't spread outside. No spillover. Seems like I'm the only one in the world who does it this way. Also saves glue. And saves booster too, really. Look, it's still big enough after cutting. No problem for the final trimming. Now apply the glue. Feels better to hold this way. After applying booster, you must let it dry like this. This drink bottle works well. Place it in the center. Let it dry. Same with white glue. Apply 1 layer and let it dry. Don't put it on the box. Never place the sponge on the box after brushing. Let it stand like this. This way is no good. Placing it flat like that doesn't work, must be on this. On a bottle cap, understand. Any bottle cap is fine. Or place it on your roller. The roller used for gluing. The one you use to press down the rubber. Like for J-series rubbers, J1, after the first layer and 1 hour, the sponge will curl up like this. After second layer it curls even more. Still need to place it on this. For J2, 1 layer of booster, 2 layers of glue, then stick it. Or to thin layers of booster and 2 layers of glue. Understand? You understand, right?
Read more about table tennis on my blog, PingSunday.com. Get free ebook and coaching advices. See you in the next video.